Are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger kitchen so you won't bump into each other in the small kitchen like you currently have? Or are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger yard for your kids to play? Hi, I'm Brandi Adkins and I'm with REALTY. I understand that looking for a new home and wondering if you're going to find a replacement home with such limited inventory is even possible. And you start thinking about all the paperwork and getting everything out of the house and moving, and it all sounds so stressful. Sometimes people just don't want to deal with it. Listen, I get it. I recently have sold a home and it can be one of the most stressful things that you'll do in life. If you're with me this far, I'm guessing that maybe you're juggling around the idea of moving. Maybe your family is growing and the house that you have is just getting a little too small. Maybe the home is too big. Your wonderful kiddos have moved out and the hallways are empty and you're ready to downsize. I work with a great team of professionals and we will help make moving a breeze. We'll be able to help you find your replacement home even in this competitive market. And we will also help you get your current home sold at the right price, so you'll end up getting more money in your pocket. Let's do it. Let's get your dream home that you and your family deserve. If you have any questions, just give me a call. I'm here to help. Because at Adkins Real Estate Group, we want you to love where you live because we know there's no place like home.